I think that we should continue the path of our great legendary mathematician. And of course, as Ikram ma'am said, they feel boring. Why do they feel boring? We must think. We must, engage them to do that. Why not? Humans have done so many things. Why not this? So, whatever I want to say is that we should just continue. We should just follow the path given by our great mathematician.
Yes, thank you, Miraj. And Nishi, you teach mathematics. So, what do you think? Why the students are not interested in mathematics? And then on this day, National Mathematics Day, what is the responsibility of a teacher to make the students interested in this subject?
Ma'am, students are not so much interesting in mathematics, so because of the equations and formulas. As the when means the students of class 1, 2, 3, 4, they are interested in mathematics and subject. But where the class ends means like equation comes in the class 6 and 7, their students lost their interest in the mathematics. So in today's we can make them inspire about our great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, and we can also tell them that mathematics is not a boring subject. We should encourage them to do everything. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Nishi. Yakra, what is your experience about mathematics? You teach the
As
students.
nowadays we are seeing that many changes has come in mathematics, and nowadays I think children are not bored with the mathematics. And so many apps had come up, and like we are also exploring as a teacher like how to deal with the techniques, how our children can learn easily. Like it should not be a boring class as a maths, so students have a fear about maths that it's a boring, I can't pass that subject, or I have a fear about the teacher or the subject. So we can deal it with the in a playway method as with the tiny toddlers, and with the pre as with our primary as well as secondary children. We can have so many apps who are based on the and how we can use the teaching learning methods also. Like every day we are giving our students in this lockdown scenario also, we are giving so many activities based on mathematics so that they can learn mathematics, all the activities, all the uh, concepts in a learning way, in a fun way, so that they don't get bored and it should be elaborated very easily to them. That's all, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much, Yakra. And I know that it's in the hand of the teachers that if they want, they can make it interesting. If they want, they can make it boring. If you are teaching them in a playway method, then naturally they all are going to be interested. And thanks to the digital advancement, because nowadays we will find that so many beautiful games are available to
Yes.
develop interest in mathematics. And I remember that when I was small, my father used to be the headmaster of the school, and he was like a very innovator. He used to innovate his own methods to make the teaching interesting. So when I was in grade two, I think I remember. So he conducted one race, and that was addition race. So in addition days, what we were supposed to do, in addition days, we were supposed to do that we have to run, and then another teacher was standing on the at a point, and there he used to give us some numbers to add, and then we have to come back and tell the first starting teacher that okay, this is the sum of the addition of that numbers. So I still remember I was asked to add 64 plus 64. So that number I still remember. So in this way, when children are asked to run, that itself develops very enthusiasm in them. That yes, they are going to run. So this addition then becomes secondary. That is not burden. But if you ask them, okay, you have to sit and you have to add, then it becomes a burden on them. But if you ask them, okay, you have to run, and then while running you have to add these two numbers, then that becomes fun for them. In this way, if we can make mathematics fun. When I was in UAE, I remember that one child was very much interested in maths, and he has created his own equations, and it was around 11 equations. And when the Ministry of Education came for the inspection, I showed them. So Ministry of Education, they have the experts also of different subjects. So they were so surprised that a child of, I think he was in grade 9, that a child of grade 9 can create such type of equations. So they were very much happy. That shows child's interest and child's innovation and mathematical mindset also. So thank you very much for joining, everyone. Thank you, Miraj, Fatma. Thank you, Nishi. Thank you, Yakra. It was really lovely talking to you. And I hope the
Thank you,
viewers,
ma'am.
those who are watching this program, it was informative for them. And they all will try to make teaching of mathematics interesting. And the students, believe me, mathematics is fun, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So thank you, everyone. Take care and bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye.
Bye. Allah Hafiz.